Hurricane Irma was a massive storm that caused a tremendous amount of destruction, not only on land, which most people know about, but also underwater. Coral reefs in the Florida Keys are really critical to the community and to the economy.
Over 60% of Keys residents are directly dependent upon the marine environment for their occupation. And we know that if we don't turn this around and bring our reef back from the state of devastation that it currently is, that ultimately that will affect all of us.
We have developed a pretty ambitious plan to do restoration at 7 sites in the Florida Keys. We've got government entities both at the federal, state level. We also have academic institutions participating, nonprofits, and with local community members that have a vested interest in protecting these resources.
United Way is involved in this project because we know that it is vital to the future of our community.
But most importantly, we're doing this because we've got a great benefactor, and that's the United Arab Emirates, who came to help us after the hurricane and was really looking for very creative and innovative ways to make a difference and make an impact in the communities.
The UAE decided to help a friend in need. We traveled to the state of Florida to basically understand what their needs were in terms of recovery efforts. To date, we've helped communities in Collier County, in Jacksonville, with projects such as helping with mobile health clinics, community centers, helping with restoring some homes. And we were approached by the Florida Keys with a very exciting and unique opportunity in helping to restore their coral reefs.
This investment, this gift from the United Arab Emirates is the first significant funding toward accomplishing Mission Iconic Reef. Currently, at the 7 iconic reef sites identified through the project, just 2% of coral cover remains. At the conclusion of this bold, innovative strategy that they've developed, the reef will be back to a healthy, sustainable 25%.
And so by involving the UAE in this effort, we can just do more outplanting of corals, more research, and then also get the community involved.
It really will help the economy, it will help the local community, and more importantly, it will help those people that are working paycheck to paycheck.
Protecting coral reefs is just as important in the United Arab Emirates as it is in the United States and anywhere else in the world. And so for us, this is an opportunity to continue to explore shared interests, to further deepen the relationship between the United Arab Emirates and the United States.
We all share the same planet and face the same challenges. That's why the UAE is proud to collaborate with partners in the US and around the world to better protect and preserve these vital ecosystems.
We know firsthand what a difference this gift is going to make. It's literally going to change and save lives.